Welcome back, guys, this is Matt, and today we're gonna see how to turn off Spotify Shuffle Play in 2022. So the first thing that we need to do obviously is to open Spotify app on your iPhone or your Android. This process works for both the same. So I already opened here the Spotify app on my iPhone. As you can see, I'm on a playlist, and let's say that we click the play button. So we start and we are listening to our playlist. So what we have here on the same line where the play button is, and now is highlighted in green, is the shuffle play, which is on right now. When it's if we want to turn it off, we just need to press it, and when it's not highlighted anymore, that means that the shuffle play is off and every song is going to be played in the order that it appears on the playlist. The icon on the right that I'm pressing right now, it's not shuffle. It means simply that when it's off, the playlist, and let's say that we play all the songs in the playlist, then the Spotify app is gonna stop playing songs. If we tap it once, that means that once we play all the songs in the playlist, it's gonna start over. And if we press it again and a one appears, that means that this when this is on, that means that this song that we are playing right now is gonna basically loop. So if we finish to listen to this song, I'm gonna put it all the way to the end. Now it's gonna start over, as you can see. So these are the main functions on the Spotify app. I just wanna give you guys an overall overview of it, but the shuffle play is the icon on the left. Now it's off, now it's on, and if we want to turn it off again, just tap on it. Let me know if you found this tutorial useful, and if it did help you, please consider subscribing and leaving a like.